Funding your Questrade account involves transferring money from your bank or another financial institution to your trading account. Here's how to do it. Log into your Questrade account. Visit the Questrade website and log in using your username and password. Access the funding section. From the main dashboard, go to the Accounts tab. Click on Funding or Transfer Funds to start the deposit process. Choose your funding method. Electronic funds transfer. Link your bank account to Questrade and transfer funds electronically. Select ETF and follow the prompts to set up your bank account details. Wire transfer. For larger amounts, you may use a wire transfer. Choose wire transfer and follow the instructions to wire funds from your bank. Ensure you use the correct wiring instructions provided by Questrade. Checks. You can also mail a check to Questrade. Select check and follow the instructions to send your payment. Enter transfer details. Specify the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the source account if required. Review and confirm. Review the funding details for accuracy. Confirm and submit the transfer request. Wait for funds to clear. The transfer may take a few business days to process. Check your account balance to confirm the deposit.